Piano teachers, how to teach note durations even up to 16ths to beginners and both clefs at the same time to your even younger beginners. Use this rhythmical skeleton, as I like to call it, where we use only one key for each hand and drawing the same key on the bass clef. So this way your students can already get used to the fact that the same key is written in a different way since it's located in a different clef and a different octave. And start by the easier note durations, wholes and halves. You can first only show and draw those two bars. Give one bar in the beginning to give momentum for the counting and start. Ask them to play only with the same finger so that they don't have to think about fingers and keys. They placed already the same finger on the same keys and they don't have to think anything else other than note durations and how to count out loud. So, I'm going to show the first two bars. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's quite easy and very simple. You can then exchange and give for the right hand to play whole notes and the left hand a whole note and two halves. Then move it up a little bit. Add quarters. One beat for each key. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now, if you want to add eighths, instead of teaching them how to count 1 and 2, and this is a little bit more complicated for them to do and count and play at the same time. Create words. Depending on the season, depending on your student and what they like, you can improvise at that moment or even ask your student to create these word games. I chose now chocolate candies, pumpkin pies. So instead of counting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, no, you just say those words. You play with the words. So let's go again. One bar and we start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chocolate candies, pumpkin pies. And that's how even a beginner can already learn how to play and how are notated the eighths, and at the same time already start noticing the difference in how we write the same key on different clefs. You can draw for them your candies and the pumpkin pies or whatever it is that you're gonna choose for them to sing. And this exercise lasts like 3 to 5 minutes, 10 minutes if they like it and you want to switch up the hands and place all those note durations on the left hand. Change the keys. If you see that they're already getting the keys, don't use the same C and C key. Place here an E and then here a G, but always the same keys so that they concentrate only on the rhythm.